Hello guys, today we're doing a video on this, not even going to try to pronounce it, soldering iron. No, that's not the name of it. Let's get this in the, it's 110 volt, 60 watt, goes all the way up to 450 Celsius. Let me find the plug here, give me a minute, okay. I'm doing this one-handed today, so normally I don't plug this in while it's sitting here on the desk, but here's this red light that comes on when you turn it on. There's apparently no way to turn this off here. It's kind of weird. It's interesting. Can't even turn the light on here. Let me see. Maybe that'll help me here. But then maybe you won't be able to see. Yikes. There we go. That's gonna be weird, isn't it? Okay, there you go. Now you can see that light from the soldering iron. So pretty much, if you don't already know how to do it, that screw thing right there, unscrew it, all that mechanism comes off and you can replace the tip. Let's get this in this, see, the tip is fairly small. I'm gonna, unplug it and show you guys what this looks like with it taken apart here. Here, unscrew this. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Interesting. Oh, there you go. It's probably hot enough. Now I can't touch it, so sorry. I need to clean that. That's gross. All that solder and tar that gets up in there. That's gross. Okay. Here's the soldering iron. 15 bucks, 20 bucks. Whole kit there on Amazon. Comes with some crappy solder. From what I've seen. But, you know, here's this. Have a great day, y'all.